Welcome. Let's dive into how Service Pro 911 helps service businesses streamline operations, boost efficiency, and stay organized. With a free Android app and web dashboard access, it's powerful, mobile, and available in both English and Spanish. From plumbers and beauty salons to clinics and towing companies, Service Pro 911 supports nearly every service business type. This wide range means endless sales opportunities for you as an agent. Service Pro 911 brings together all essential tools, appointments, estimates, customers, invoices, and more, in one place. It's everything your merchants need, minus the complexity. Merchants love Service Pro 911 for its simplicity. Schedule jobs, send estimates, get paid, and run their business from any device. It's modern, intuitive, and solves real pain points. Support matters. That's why we offer live, human help 6 days a week, plus dedicated agent contacts for consistency. It's one more reason merchants stay loyal. Create, send, and manage professional invoices quickly, accepting multiple payment types, even recurring charges. It saves time and eliminates errors. With our CRM, merchants can track customer data, view history, tag and organize contacts, and deliver better service, all with one-tap access. Need to formalize work? Service Pro 911 lets merchants create, send, sign, and store service agreements, all digitally and securely. Manage appointments with ease, view by day, week, or month. Assign staff, send updates via SMS or email, and keep everything organized. Choose from ready-made Service Pro 911 website templates, customizable, professional, and built to boost your brand fast. Ready to grow your business with Service Pro 911? Scan the code to request a demo or sign up today, and start your top agent journey.